Hello guys, this is TechMed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Acer N16Q8 keyboard. The first thing you have to do, you have to remove all the screws at the back of the laptop. Make sure you remove all the screws at the back of the laptop. After you remove all the screws at the back of the laptop, you have to take out this cover. And there's one more screw inside, you need to open this one. You take out the mouse cable. This one is the mouse cable, you have to take it out. Okay. Then you remove the hard disk. Okay. Then you have to take out the CD-ROM. Because there is 3 more screws you need to open from here for the CD-ROM side. Then you have to open it right round. Then there's another cable here. This one is for the speaker. You have to take it out. So you take out the cover. After that, you have to remove the motherboard. You have to take out the board. But before you do that, you have to disconnect the battery first. And disconnect the power cable. Then don't forget this, the keyboard cable. You have to disconnect this one also. After disconnecting the keyboard cable, you have to make sure you remove the Wi-Fi cable. Okay. Then you try to remove the motherboard. You have to remove some screw on the motherboard, like I think 2 screws like this. 1. This is the LCD cable. This is the LCD cable for the screen. You have to take it out from the board like this. Then you remove the board. After you remove everything like this, you have to remove the screen. You take out these screws here, this one and this one. You have to take them out to remove the screen, separate it from the keyboard. After you remove the 2 screws for the LCD to take out, you have to be careful. You remove this cable at the side here. If you like, you can take out the battery also to make it easier for you. You take out the battery to make it easier for you. Then you remove this cable. Okay. Then you take out the keyboard side. And you remove the LCD and put one side. Then there's clip here, all this rubber clip. You have to try to ace this one up, the pan. Try to remove the clip. Just use the screwdriver like this, flat. You put inside. Then you take out the keyboard also the same way. The same way how you remove the pan is the same way you have to take out the keyboard also. Take out the keyboard also. After you remove all those things, the pan, now it's time to fix the new keyboard. You have to replace it perfectly, like this. Then you have to use the same method. You have to use the heat Serdang. You have to fix all this rubber back, all here, right round, all over. You have to fix all over. You start like this.
Zimbabwe shares locally in Zambia, and sometimes without power for up to 18 hours a day. Tessa has more from her own.
Traffic jams like this are now normal in Zimbabwe's capital, Harare. Motorists expect to get stuck for several reasons, among them traffic lights not working. That's because of electricity cuts that can last for hours. Not far from the congestion, these people are making items like tombstones and kitchen tops from granite. Tired of the constant power cuts, they've invested in generators and other alternative sources of
Farewell,
After you fix all the rubber on the keyboard, you have to do the same thing also on this cover to cover the keyboard.
What are the legal consequences of Israel's occupation of Palestine? The UN says the International Court of Justice must decide. Palestinians see that as a victory, while Israel calls it despicable. But will it change anything on the ground? This is the inside story.
You do the same thing also. You have to fix all this clip, all this rubber, and make sure your Serdang is hot.
The UN General Assembly ended the year 2022 by passing a resolution of the International Court of Justice to pick up all practical consequences of Israel's occupation of Palestinian territory. The UN Assembly voted 87 to 26 for 54 extensions to to support the notion. Last time the ICJ gave an opinion on the conflict between Israel and Palestine was in 2004, ruling Israel's separation rule was illegal. The document court deals with disputes between states and provides rulings about binding the court itself has no power to enforce them. Palestinian officials have welcomed the UN's decision. The Wafa News agency reported presidential spokesman Nabil Abordina saying the vote is evidence of the whole world's support for our people.
After you finish fix all this pan everything, now you have to fix on the screen right now.
Nous sommes en train de demander cette autorisation d'abord qu'on n'en a pas. Et cette autorisation va être donnée
You fix the board, the motherboard. Fix the LCD cable. Fix the power supply. You fix the keyboard cable. You fix the Wi-Fi cable also. You fix the battery also. You fix the mouse cable. Then you fix the back cover. Don't forget you fix the speaker cable, this one. Don't forget to fix the 3 screws down the CD-ROM cover. You fix the CD-ROM. You fix the hard disk. Then you fix the screw, the one inside. You put back the back cover. Then you fix all the screw back at the back, all the screw. It's okay. Good job. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.